flower garden design ideas, you're in the right place. Imagine the enjoyment of stepping into your own vibrant oasis, a symphony of colors and fragrances right at your doorstep. In this video, we'll take you through the process of designing a flower garden that suits your style and space. We'll cover understanding your space, choosing the right flowers, planning the layout, and maintaining your garden. So, are you ready to invite nature into your home? Stay tuned to discover how to design your dream flower garden. First, understand the space you are working with. This is not just about the physical size of your garden. It's about appreciating the intricate details that make your garden unique. Imagine your garden as a canvas. The size of this canvas can influence the scale of your design. A small garden might benefit from delicate flowers, while a larger space can accommodate grand floral displays. But size isn't everything. The type of soil in your garden plays a crucial role too. It's like the texture of your canvas. Different flowers thrive in different soils. Some prefer a rich, loamy soil, others might need sandier conditions. And let's not forget about sunlight. Like the colors on your canvas, sunlight can highlight or shadow different parts of your garden. Some flowers bask in full sun, while others prefer the coolness of the shade. Knowing your space, its size, its soil, and its sunlight is the first step to a successful flower garden design. Next, select the right flowers for your garden. Now, this is where your creativity really gets to shine. The flowers you choose will become the vibrant stars of your garden, adding pops of color, fragrance, and life. Picking the right flowers is like picking the right outfit. It should suit the occasion, the place, and most importantly, you. The same way you wouldn't wear a winter coat to the beach, you wouldn't plant a sun-loving flower in a shady corner. Consider the conditions in your garden. Is it bathed in sunlight for most of the day? Then sun-loving flowers like marigolds, zinnias, or sunflowers would thrive. Or is it more of a shady retreat? Ferns, hostas, and impatiens enjoy these cooler, darker corners. Now let's talk seasons. If you want a garden that's lively all year round, you'll need to think about when your chosen flowers bloom. Spring bulbs like tulips and daffodils offer early color, while summer perennials like roses and lilies keep the show going. In fall, chrysanthemums and asters continue the spectacle, and winter-blooming camellias or hellebores can bring joy to the colder months. But what's a garden without a bit of personal flair? Your garden should be a reflection of you, an extension of your personality. If you love the simple elegance of white, consider a moon garden with white flowers like jasmine or gardenias. If you're drawn to bold, dramatic colors, oriental poppies or dahlias might be your style. And don't forget to consider the wildlife you'd like to attract. Butterflies love nectar-rich flowers like butterfly bush and coneflowers. If you're a bird enthusiast, sunflowers and cosmos can provide seeds for our feathered friends. Choosing the right flowers is a delightful journey of discovery and creativity. Experiment with different combinations, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. After all, it's your garden, your little slice of nature. Choosing the right flowers can add color and life to your garden. So take the time to choose wisely and watch as your garden transforms into a vibrant, living masterpiece. Now let's plan the layout of your garden. This is where your vision starts to take shape. It's where you get to play architect and designer, arranging flowers and plants in a way that's both practical and visually appealing. One of the key things to remember is that your garden is a living canvas. It's dynamic, changing with the seasons, and it's up to you to guide its evolution. To start, consider the height of your plants. Ideally, you want to create a sense of depth and dimension, so think about layering your flowers. Place taller plants at the back of your garden or in the center if your garden is viewable from all sides. This way, all your flowers will be visible, each one contributing to the overall picture you're painting. Next, let's talk about color combinations. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. You could go for a monochromatic scheme using different shades of a single color, or opt for a complementary color scheme, pairing colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel. For a more dynamic look, try an analogous color scheme, using colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to experiment and find what feels right to you. Now, on to blooming periods. Not all flowers bloom at the same time, so it's important to plan your garden in a way that ensures you'll have blooms throughout the year. Mix in some spring bloomers with summer and fall ones. This way your garden will constantly be in a state of renewal, offering up new surprises every few months. To help with all this planning, consider using a garden planner tool or even just a good old-fashioned piece of paper and pencil. Sketch out your garden, marking where each plant will go. This will give you a bird's-eye view of your garden, allowing you to make changes and adjustments before you start planting. Remember, planning your garden layout is a process. It's okay to make changes along the way. After all, the beauty of a garden lies in its ability to grow and change. A well-planned layout can make your garden look organized and attractive. Finally, maintain your flower garden to keep it beautiful. Just like any living thing, your garden requires care and attention to thrive. Just like any living thing, your garden requires care and attention to thrive. Just like any living thing, your garden requires care and attention to thrive. Watering is crucial. Watering is crucial. Watering is crucial. Most flowers need about an inch of water a week, so keep an eye on the weather and supplement when necessary. Next, there's pruning. Next, there's pruning. Next, there's pruning. Regularly remove dead heads, leaves, and stems to encourage new growth and keep your flowers looking their best. Regularly remove dead heads, leaves, and stems to encourage new growth and keep your flowers looking their best. Regularly remove dead heads, leaves, and stems to encourage new growth and keep your flowers looking their best. And don't forget about those pesky pests. And don't forget about those pesky pests. And don't forget about those pesky pests. Keep a vigilant eye out for any signs of disease or infestation. Keep a vigilant eye out for any signs of disease or infestation. Keep a vigilant eye out for any signs of disease or infestation. There are many organic solutions available to tackle these issues without harming your plants or the environment. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. Regular maintenance not only keeps your garden looking beautiful, it also ensures it's a place where your flowers can grow and flourish. Regular maintenance not only keeps your garden looking beautiful, it also ensures it's a place where your flowers can grow and flourish. Regular maintenance not only keeps your garden looking beautiful, it also ensures it's a place where your flowers can grow and flourish. With regular maintenance, your flower garden can bring you joy for years to come. Now you have the knowledge to design your perfect flower garden. Today, we've journeyed through the essential steps to create a blooming haven of beauty. We started by understanding your space, then moved to choosing the right flowers to match your vision. Next, we explored planning the layout to maximize your garden's potential. And lastly, we touched on maintaining your flower garden to ensure it thrives. So there you have it. Start designing your dream flower garden today.